Hello friends, today's topic 1 year revised target prices of two leading stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. In this week, the quarterly results of two of the largest IT companies in India were announced, TCS and Infosys. They have high weightage in Nifty 50 index. Based on the results, stock market analysts revise their target price upwards or downwards for stocks. This will help investors understand how the results were in comparison to the expectations. We have already covered the highlights of their results in our recent videos. The following is a revised target price of these two stocks. Number 1, revised target price of TCS. Goldman Sachs, target before results 3970, target after results 4020, and percentage from current price 12% above. BNP Paribas, target before results 4200, target after results 4080 and 14% upwards from the current price. Motilal Oswal, 4000 is the target price before result and target price after results 4060 and 14% upwards from the current price. ICICI Securities, target before results 3869, target after results 3708 and percentage away from the current price is 4%. IIFL, target before results 3800, target after results 3800 and 6% away from the current price. And Morgan Stanley, target before results of TCS 3730, target after results 3590 and percentage away from the current price 0.6%. Now going further, revised target price of TCS, JP Morgan, target before results 2900, target after results 2900 and the percentage away minus 19%. Jeffries 3450 versus 3690, 3% away or above the current price. Citi 3170 versus 3170, minus 11% is up from the current price. Kotak Institutional Equities 3760, target before results, target after results 3760, 5% away or above the current price. And finally, Nomura, target before results 3030, target after results 3030 and away from the current price minus 15%. Due to average to weak results, brokerage firms are not expecting from TCS stock in the remaining part of this financial year. Although the stock may not fall much, it is not likely to rally much in spite of the buyback at rupees 4,150 rupees per share. Here is an announcement. There is a webinar. Topic is how to create profits from stock markets. It is happening on Sunday, the 15th of October, 10:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Cost of the webinar for the first 75 participants is rupees 199. After that, it becomes 499. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates did not attend and the seats are limited to the first 150 entirely on first come first serve basis. What are we covering in this webinar? How profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term, because many people are not sure whether the stock market will give any profit at all because they think that stock market means loss. Then top stock market myths, basic fundamental analysis and basic technical analysis. How to join is very simple. Click on the payment link in the description box below and register. And you will get the webinar link within 1 day after payment. People who have come to our webinar always express that they made a mistake of attending the webinar quite late because they could have earned more money as a passive income from stock market and they delayed it unnecessarily entirely because they went on neglecting it. I hope on Sunday you will be there and you will take the benefit of the webinar. Now continuing with the matter of the video, revised target price of Infosys. Bank of America, target before results 1390, target after results 1425, percentage from the current price minus 0.4%. JP Morgan, target before results 1400, target after results 1400, and it is 2% away from the current price, that is minus 2%. Jeffries, the target after results is 1650, 15% more than the current market price. Kotak Equities, the target after results 1700, 19% from the current market price upwards. Motilal Oswal 1660 is the target before results. Target after results 1660, 16% above the current market price. Nuvama Brokerage Company, target before results 1380, target after results 1400, and target from the current market price is minus 2. Sher Khan, target before results 1690, target after results 1690, and it is 18% upwards of the current market price. Infosys Management has itself downward revised its revenue growth target for this financial year. Accordingly, most of the brokerage firms have kept their expectations lower due to this. It is possible that the IT sector stocks could continue to underperform the overall market for some more quarters before there is improvement in the world economy. If similarly weak results are reported by other leading companies as well, the overall markets could continue to stay range bound for some more months. And at the end of the video, here is a question. To be successful, tracking the quarterly results of the companies you hold is very important. Only if you hold limited companies, you can track them. How many companies do you think you can hold? Type the number in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.